That sucks. All right, good morning, everybody. Today, we're fishing out here at Milford. And this is the Salty 02. I'm using rooster tails, spinnerbait, and a swim bait. Currently, have my white rooster tail. So let's see what we can get. Hopefully something good. That'll be nice. Almost caught a tree there for a second. Nice cast. So I would do stop and go here, but there are a lot of sticks, logs at this spot. So I'm just reeling it on in. Yeah, rooster tails has always been one of my go-tos. Use it in a creek, a river, and a lake. Just gotta find the fish. Last week when I was at the spot, caught a bluegill and a bass. Just like that. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a drum. Yeah, you can catch a drum. It's fine, pretty good. I'm gonna catch this dude right here. There he is. Look at that. Fish number 1 of the day. All right, so quick update. My wife had a call, but I caught 2 stripers on the rooster tail. So again, and the drum's already back in the water. But again, you know, rooster tail has always been my go-to if times are hard. Especially in these conditions where it's a little bit rainy. All I'm doing is just a slow retrieve. And they'll get it. So hopefully I can get one on camera for you guys. 'Cause they're hungry. They're out here. And they're aggressive. Oh, that was a little hit. Or it was a tree. That was too consistent to be a tree. And rooster tails are just not that expensive at Walmart. I'm about to head on up the rooster tail. And the colors in right there. Oh. Is that another drum? Well, hey, got me another drum. He came up there and swallowed that bad boy. That's number 4. Hit something. Probably not fish. That was epic. All right, everyone, that is it for today. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about rooster tails, and I was able to show you guys the true effectiveness of it. As always, hit that subscribe, hit that like button. I'll catch you on the flip side. Salty, I'll take us on off.